Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see screen time on Android. We start by opening the phone's settings. Next, we are going to look for an option similar to digital well-being or digital health depending on the model. Here we will see a summary of the use of our phone according to the category. If we click on it, we can see in more detail the usage time of the applications individually. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.